Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
4. In-house alterations with exclusive access to materials. All alterations and any necessary or requested repairs are performed in-house by our expert team. Additionally, Sudsies counts as South Florida's most exclusive boutiques among our regular corporate clients. As a result, we often have access to additional expertise and materials, such as specialty buttons and fabrics, which are simply not available to most dry cleaners. This allows us to deliver a level of service that truly sets us apart.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.